How to fold your wave flat when it's been decreased into a series of hexagons. Here's the original 24-gon before it was neatly folded and separated into groups of 6. And then at each group of 6, a hexagon was decreased in the center, meaning that only the inside edge was connected and the outside edges were unconnected. And what that looks like in reality is this. And so this is a really neat situation where you have what looks like a waving edge and 4 discrete hexagons, but this is the same old 24-gon with only the inside connected. And this is one of the things that we call geometric capture. We've left the outside edge alone, and along each inside edge we've chosen 6-sided forms to simply capture by decreasing. I could snip out this hexagon right here, bordered in black, and the red edge would remain intact. A big, loose, floppy set of sticks. And one neat thing about this is that it can actually fold flat because it's got these beautiful open spaces at the edge. And so once you're confident taking what looks like a fairly awkward, stiff setup and just gently rotating the thread, not really even the beads, it's just the thread, then you realize you can put the wave in either direction, or you can untwist it and simply fold it flat. And this is one of the things that we have that I think will be really neat for material science. And in this case, you can see that I have 2 open sections on this side and 1 on this side in the center. And how you fold these things, you have several choices, but this is the basic technique for folding it flat. And the large gon can be folded flat too, and you have several ways to do that. My favorite one is just to basically fold it in half and then let it find its favorite form. And since this is the hexagon increase, it'll rapidly inform you that what it really wants to be is a stack of hexagons. But until you do some sort of geometric capture with them, they won't be orderly. So that's how to turn this open form, the wave, from a 24-point podcast bead into a very orderly stack of hexagons that are willing to be wavy geometric chain links. And if you can imagine these connected into a large neck piece, I think you can see where we're going with this idea. Please join in.